Hi, my name is Marion Caro and I'm owner and founder of Titanic Denim. Here at SERC as part of the Great Big Green Week, and I've been invited along by the enterprise team to carry out 2 sustainable denim workshops. One is a jean to tote bags and the other is customising jeans. Today we will be taking jeans and basically cutting them up and transforming them into denim tote bags. And in the afternoon we will be repairing jeans, learning how to put patches, and to also then progress to customising using different designs and shapes. My background is textiles and fashion, so I've always more or less worked in the fashion industry. I started working with denim again about 10 years ago, and then discovered that through some research and study that denim is actually one of the dirtiest industries in fashion. My company uses both reclaimed denim and other reclaimed materials, so it basically tries to create luxury sustainable designs that are almost zero waste. We're not quite there yet, but that is the aim, and also to try to reduce textile landfill, keeping textile waste out of landfill.